Alam
Right.
ko yun.
Ako feeling ko yung ano, yung fear na dati pinabayaan ako ng magulang ko.
And then take it to the other
So now they
extreme.
take it and swing to the other side naman na, ay talagang nandiyan ako, involved talaga ako sa anak ko.
Alam mo,
Everyone.
that's a good point. I noticed that, example, if tayo, yung parents natin, sila yung helicopter na parang lahat na lang bawal magkamali. Most, again, no, ano, I'm just saying generally ha.
Kwento lang, kwento lang.
Kwento lang, pero
Kwento.
observation ko lang, na when they grow up, those parents, and they grow up and they become parents, they tend to now swing it to the opposite end of the pendulum. Na they would say na that yung parents ko sobrang strict, sobrang ganon.
Yeah.
Gusto ko sa anak ko, ayokong ma-experience nila yung ganon.
Yeah.
I want my kids to learn more. So now, minsan, taken to the extreme, super ano naman, super, okay lang yan, super permissive, wala nang
Yeah.
boundaries.
Mm.
Or, kung yung parents dati, growing up, like yan,
Ganon,
parang
sobrang
laging
loose.
hindi natin nakikita, yung laki tayo,
Absentee.
laki tayo sa yaya or ganon. Pagdating naman, ay gusto ko maging hands-on. Super high control naman, parang ganon. Naging